guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today it's Thursday and I'm going to work. I've been in Mthatha for a week, and so this is my second week here, and I'm here because of work. So I haven't vlogged much because I've been busy up and down with work. So yeah, that's essentially what has been happening, guys. Thank you guys for coming back, and we on the road to 400 subscribers. Please don't forget to like, comment and share, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. It's just gonna be just a simple day or a couple of days in my life as someone working from home and traveling to a client, something like that, you understand. So I'm just gonna show you now my outfit, and then we'll be heading out. So this is my top, these are my pants. I got them from Exact, and then this top I got it from Woolies, and I'll be wearing my heels and you'll see. This is how I look, guys. This is how I look. Looking good. Guys, I don't know how I feel about this week, man. It is sitting nice. It's a closure week, and I think I'm planning to make it my everyday week for work. But I don't know, maybe it's because I've been wearing it for the past week, and I don't know, I'm not feeling it anymore. So I think probably it's because maybe it needs to be washed and straightened again, and then I will love it again. I'm heading out. That's my work bag, of course. And then chat to you guys when I get the chest. I don't like this. Yeah. I want my work to keep straight. I don't know. See you guys. Morning, guys. Today is a Saturday. I'm finally leaving. Guys, if I tell you, if I say I'm tired one last time, oh, I have no words. I'm literally exhausted in an unhealthy way. Like, I haven't been sleeping this whole entire week. My 8 hours have been a myth. Like, I've been sleeping because, you know, sleep is needed, but other than that, I'm a zombie. But anyways, I just picked my things. I'm ready to leave the road. I'm ready to hit the road right now. I'm waiting for my colleague to finish packing up, and then we're leaving. It's 11 minutes past 7, and Bloom is calling my name. I'm so exhausted. What I have lined up today is immediately when I arrive, I need to go to the salon to take my cornrows, wash my hair, because I have an appointment at 4 o'clock to get braids finally. I was contemplating between getting braids and doing a pixie cut, because I am done. When I say I'm done, I am done with wigs for now. Not wigs, let me not say I'm done with my hair. Like, I'm over my hair. Like, I'm over it. Like, honestly, I don't show much love to my hair. Like, it's whatever shit. And it's showing that I haven't been loving on it. Yeah, it's grown, but I don't think it's healthy though. So I don't know what to do with it as of yet, but until further notice, I'm doing braids. And then I think I might do a pixie cut. I'm leaning towards a pixie cut, but I've been seeing people complaining, saying it's a lot of work because you will need what's this, you know, straightening and like curling it every other day, because that hairstyle doesn't last at all. I think that's what irritates me, and I'm not gonna have money to do my hair every other week. Oh hell no. So that is what I'm doing. And then I think I'm gonna do, guys, I don't do maintenance. I'm not gonna say it's a maintenance. I'm doing it because like it's been a while and I just feel like I need some time to live. So I'm doing my hair, getting my nails done. Remember guys, I took a break and my toes are suffering there, so I'm getting those done. I'm getting my lashes done finally. I'm getting brow lamination. I'll see how it goes, because I'm trying to be a girl that is just, you know, better foundation and lip gloss vibes type of girl with lashes. So I'll see how all of that maintenance goes, and it will be my first time doing brow lamination, and then the lashes, it will be my first time going to that person. So really looking forward to that, and I hope I like how they do, how they provide their services. So I'll see, I'll give you guys a review on that. Morning guys, today is a Sunday and I arrived last night, and I immediately had to rush to go get my hair done and wash it, and then go to a different place to, what's this, go to a different place to get it braided. And then we finished at 11:15. I was late, that's why we finished late. And I am so tired guys, like the bags, these Chanel bags underneath my eyes, I get happy. I'm not happy at all. I'm so exhausted, like literally I'm suffering for fatigue. But I need to, what's this, I need to, oh, the lighting. Sorry guys, I need to take the rental car back, and then I'll be home for the day, but I don't want to stay long because I still have some work to do. So guys, I'm tired. I think I'm tired. I've worked my butt off the whole week, so doing my laundry right now, and I think that's about it guys. I'll check you guys next time. Here's the rental car that I need to take back. Morning guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today it's Saturday, and yesterday I went to get my nails done. Let me see so that you guys can see the color properly, but it's this bright pink, yeah, and hot there. And then I also got my brows, but I'm not happy. Like I feel like they're making my face look like it's frowning, I don't know. So now I'm gonna go get my lashes. I hope that goes well. It will be my first time going there. I'm still trying to find a proper person to do my lashes. I still haven't found one, because I remember back in the days there used to be this lady, again, Penny's lashes, then blow hybrid lashes that would be top tier, like yo, but they will be so nice, so neat, and they last. These other places that I've gone to so far, like the lashes are always like off, so that's where I'm going. I hope there's parking. I'm rushing, but I wanted to introduce the video. I'm so obsessed with my nails because it's been a minute since I did my nails, and yeah, my brows, guys. I feel like she should have done them like this. Now they are going like this and they're making my face like look weird. If it was like this, it would have made my face lift a bit. But I guess I'll have to use a concealer or whatever. So let's go, guys. Hi guys. Today is Sunday and I think I didn't show you guys my thingies. My lashes, I don't remember, but here they are. I get I get impressed that much Kione, but what can you say? So my brows are also done. I think I told you guys that. And then my nails. The only thing that I'm impressed with is my nails. I love my nails so much. And it just came back from church. I'm in the car right now and my partner said I should stay inside of the car. I get to go with Zangamu. And it's our anniversary. Our anniversary. Do you know what today is? It's our anniversary. Ooh. So yeah guys, that's about it today. I'm loving my stack. Look at this. Look at that. And this ring. I'm so in love with them. So today, now after here, we're going to buy groceries and then head home. And then I think our dinner will be we're going at the restaurant at 6:30. Yeah, 6:30, so that we can celebrate our anniversary. I'm so excited. I have a cute dress. Mara, this weather, it's so not cute. I don't know guys. I really do not know. But yeah, I'm excited about the day. Let's just hope the weather is not too bad, because I give out over cold and then I'm wearing a backless dress because that's the dress that I've planned to wear today. And I give out change. So you guys are gonna get ready with me. I don't know if I'm gonna record it, Bandla. And also I don't know if I should do makeup. You know when you're like this, you don't wanna do too much. You don't wanna do too much. And I'm loving my braids actually. They're so nice. Mary, let me tell you, the work that I have to do on a daily for these curls, it's something that I get right. I don't enjoy because it gets tangled up very easily. So yeah guys, that's about it. I just thought I should update you because my vlog has been very choppy and you guys don't really get to hear me say anything. And like you guys should be up to date and not just me show you new things. And we have an unboxing. Yeah! Guys, I bought a coffee machine. Checkers is running a special. I don't know by the time this vlog comes out, will it still be on, but I think it ends on the 13th. And I'm taking this vlog out on Saturday or Friday. Yeah. Excuse me. And guys, I've been trying to be consistent. Yeah. Kena le issues tse ngata. My first issue I wanted to get a camera. What's this? Not a camera. What you call this thing? A mic, because I want to do a live update. And also, I've seen that my place doesn't have proper lighting. The lighting in there, yeah, it's not giving. So that's also the reason why I've been trying to be consistent, guys. And also work has been so hectic for the past 2 weeks because of its budget season. So municipalities need to submit whatever. So I really didn't have time to vlog, but now it's settled. Everything is settled. I want to record in advance so that you guys can have a vlog every week and not have choppy things. And please let me know what you guys would like to hear so that we can always be up to date about the things that happened. So that's about it, guys, my update. And yeah, I think I've updated you guys with everything that has been happening. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm getting so shy now because people are passing, and so awkward. So awkward. So that's about it, guys. Kgatla when I get home so that I can show you guys the coffee machine. I don't know if it will still be today because I think today's day is gonna be short because now ki to 1 and I know groceries we're gonna take 2 hours mix of or 3, and then by the time we get home we'll need to prepare to go to our dinner. So I think I will have to postpone it for tomorrow. My outfit guys, keep to all at once because I'm like my train of thought is anyways. This is the bag that I carried. This I got from Edgar's, it was on special. This is the college spree. I like the gold detailing on it because it went with my my jewelry, and I paired it with this Mr. Price what do you call this thing, Ghana? It has buttons here, I forgot, but yeah, and it has these cute bows here. These are so cute. So yeah, and then I paired it with my earrings. These earrings are so cute. And that's about it, guys. Maybe I'm a happy anniversary. Why we get so shy? The girlies. Guys, here's my OOTD. I got this dress from Legit. It's so cute. It is really nice. And I like this gold detailing that it has here. And I'm pairing it with these shoes that I got from Edgar's a while ago. I love them, but they're uncomfortable sometimes. So I'm also going to be carrying this cardigan because I'm not trying to get cold. So I'm not trying to get cold, hence I'm taking this cardigan. Also, I want to show you some a cute cake. Look at this. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Yeah, I'm so in love. I can't wait to indulge. I can't wait to indulge in this cute cake. Know that you are loved, even if you don't love yourself. You don't want that you are loved, even if you don't love yourself. Guys, so today is Monday, late in the evening. It's 7:15, and remember I promised you guys I will record a video of us unboxing my coffee machine. I am so excited. I didn't really open it because I wanted us to open it together so that it can be our first impression together. So yeah, let's unbox this beauty. So initially I went in store. When I got there, it was like this outside. You see, it's red. So I thought to myself, guys, do you guys have the white one? Because I don't want red, because there was red, there's turquoise, there's black, Yo, I forgot the other colors. So I was like, I like the white. So I went there and then I asked them, they said they don't have it. I was so bummed, guys. Like, I was literally bummed. But I guess, like, they didn't know, because now, how am I getting this box that is red outside only for it to have a sticker that is showing that it's white? I don't know if you can see this sticker. And also, it shows here on this sticker. So I'm not sure what happened there, but anyways, yeah, that's essentially about it. And then it comes with this 250 coffee voucher, which I'm excited about. Is this not focusing? Yeah. And I'm excited to go and use it. I don't know when am I gonna go, but I'm excited to get the, you know, be a, what you call, a pods girl. And then maybe buy us like a small cup nyana to store my pods and things like that, and make it cute and have a coffee station. But I'm not gonna go ham, because one thing about me, I will do something and then I'll lose interest in the next 5 business days. So I'm learning to be as minimalistic as possible, but I've been wanting a coffee machine for the longest time, hence I got it. And also, I don't know if I told you guys, but this was on sale. I saved 1.5, I think. Yeah, I saved 1.5. Let me just verify quickly, because I think I did save 1.5. Let's see. Let's see. The coffee machine. Yeah, it's 1.4. Yeah, I saved 1.4. So here it is. So let me try to dim the light so that you guys can see properly. So you see, originally it was 3.4, and now it's going for 2,000, and I couldn't miss the sale. I was like, I need to get it. Like, I honestly need to get it. And my partner was like, there's actually no need for you to get this. But I was like, hey, I'm a coffee lover. Like, I'm literally a coffee lover.
Even if you don't
feeling well-ish here, and I think I'm coming up with flu. So I'm trying to prevent that because I feel like it's going to be like a throat infection type of thing, because it's really, really affecting my breathing. I don't know how to combat that. But I saw this, what is this? This ginger shot that has been doing the rounds on TikTok, where people take lemon, ginger, turmeric, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and what else? And then other people will add like pineapples and things like that, but I heard it's not necessary. So I'm gonna do the basic one just so that I can combat this. Because this is really, really painful, and you see when I'm breathing, it's like it's taking a lot of me out of me, and in shortness of breath. I don't know why is that happening, but yeah. Hold on. Let's see, what is it giving? I feel like I want 2 shots. I think 2 shots of this. Maybe it will heal whatever's going on. I think I'm changing my mind. Yeah. Oh, that's a shot. Yeah, the ginger is so passionate. Maybe against inyani. Maybe I should have added a lot of water, because what is this, honey? Let's go for the second one. For the soul. Okay, I give me a glass. Cheers. Guys, I forgot to update you about the food we had yesterday at for our anniversary date. I did not enjoy that food at all. Like, I don't know why did I order yo, why did I order that seafood boil? It was Cape Town Fish Market really dropped the ball with that one. It was, even my partner was like, you make a mean seafood boil. And like, we used to have it, like I used to try and do it every now and then at our like first apartment together, and we would enjoy it so much, like peak COVID, you know. So I got the takeaway, but guys, I keep going. When am I gonna eat this one? I could say, but it will honestly not be at one go. I will have to have it in drips and drabs. So what I'm thinking is that I hope they put my bread in here. Okay, here's the rice. And I hope my bread, they didn't take it, because I was looking forward to that garlic bread. Yeah, here's the garlic bread. So this, I think tomorrow I'll have it with the chicken, because we bought Woolies chicken yesterday. So we always buy the Woolies chicken. Not always, but when we have extra cash, and whenever my partner is traveling, when we have the funds too, we prefer like getting the Woolies chicken 2 for, how much is it now? Is it 1.8? I like, don't quote me on that, but like it's always nice so that he doesn't cook when he's traveling, because we always go for self-catering. Same as me, when I travel I go for self-catering. So I think that's what I'm gonna have for dinner, guys. We let me not say but I want to say, but I want to tell you. Stepping out right now. I thought I'll be able to do my OOTD, but basically I'm wearing this t-shirt from Mr. Pride Mr. Price, which is a collab with the social club, I think, the art club, yeah. And then this track pants I got from Factory, yeah. And then these shoes are from, what's this place? It's this type of shoes. These are from the Fix. Yeah, I got them from the Fix. And I'm just quickly stepping out. I need to get electricity. I need to also go pass by what's this, Waterfront Nespresso to get my voucher, to redeem my voucher. And then what else? I think I'm gonna go to, I think I need to, do I need to go to Exact? I guess so. But anyway, yeah, I just need to quickly step out and do those and quickly come back. And then is it like is it a full size?
Yeah, the full size. So it's all that the copy around.
Not me going to Waterfront to redeem my voucher, the 250 voucher, only to find out that you need to buy 5. You need to buy 5 packets so that you can get 250 off. Now I thought get 250 voucher, like you spend that whole thing. Anyways, because that wasn't part of my budget. I got this one. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I started a new vlog today. Today is Wednesday and I haven't spoken to you guys. The last time you guys saw me was at the mall and I had to just run a few errands for my partner, and then I decided let me get some few things. These are mainly so that the house can have a scent, because if you it's not that much scent, but mainly because these were affordable. So I got what's this diffuser from Mr. Price Home, and then I got this fragranced gel beads. This was on special. I think it was 40 rand, 30 rand. Yeah, I think it was 30 rand. So yeah, can't wait to use this. I haven't used any beads before. And most importantly, I got myself this aroma diffuser. I needed this more than anything. Like everything else could have stayed, but this one was a need, and I'm glad I went into Mr. Price, because like I've said in my previous video, I said I'm struggling to breathe. Feels like yo, it's a mission. Like I'm consciously breathing, you understand? So I really need this until I go to the doctor. I'm just lazy to go. My partner said, girl, just go to the doctor, but somehow I'll just be like let me try other things before. And this is how it looks. I like this marble color that it has. And okay, let's see. I wasn't sure what does it come out with. Okay, I thought it has a bed sheet and I was worried about that, but it seems like it's the one that you charge. And let's see inside. Yeah, this is how it comes inside. Beautiful candle. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. It smells lovely, and I like the fact that it has 3 wicks. And yeah, what's the flavor? I think it's Amalfi. Yeah, Amalfi citrus. This is how it is. It smells so good.
To
Hey guys, so I get to do the unboxing finally. So I'm gonna show you what I got from Bash and Superbalist. So here's the package. Okay, things that work. This one. I thought the material will be heavier than this, but okay. This is from Canvas Studios. Okay. I like the fact that it's not too long from what I'm seeing because I'm way too short. I am very short, but I think this will be perfect. This has the solution. I'll just put a picture of the model so that you guys can see how it looks. But I really like it. And then let's get to the second one. The second dress, which I really like. It's this bright orange color. Can be mistaken for hot red color, but I like it so much. I'll also put the model so that you guys can see how it looks. This one is from Iconography. Yeah, I got it from Iconography and I like it so much. I like it. I got it in a size 12. Hi you guys, look at what they sent me. This is worn and used. There's no way. There's absolutely, look at this. Oh wow. Guys, this is out here. Look. Yeah, this is how it looks. So cute. I think I got my best friend this for her birthday. I guess so. But I think so, but I like it. And it was on sale. So cute. I don't think I paid 100 rands. It was buy 2 things for something, like it was cheap. I think I bought it for less than that. And this is how it looks. Listen, box. Okay, these earrings, I like them so much. They're from Boohoo. I thought it's Pretty Little Thing, but no. Look at how cute and dainty they look. So nice. Quelle est legit?